Good morning, guys. Today I am going to teach you comments. Comments are not displayed in the web browser. Okay, okay. I will show you. Open this in live server. See, it is printing. If you comment this, web browser will not show. See, web browser will not show. But the thing is, comments the developers they used to do for code reading purpose. Okay, understood, right? Code reading purpose means they used to do why is taking this variable, why is writing this logic here. For that purpose, developers used to maintain comment. Comments are not displayed in the web browser, but they can help do- they can help document your HTML source code. Okay, got it right? Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.